Welcome to other wonderful package of courses of MrLopezClasses.com. We are going to offer in this moment the marine electrical certification. What is the idea? I am going to teach 3 courses. The marine basic electricity DC current, the marine advanced electricity AC current, and the marine electronics class. Those 3 courses. We are going to start with the first one, with the basic electricity on June 3rd. On June 3rd, check your schedule, June 3rd, and we are going to finish basic electricity on June 23rd. After that, we are going to start advanced electricity in June 24th, and we are going to finish advanced electricity in July 15. On July 16, we are going to start the course of marine electronics. 3 courses. Okay. The idea is that at the end you are a marine electrical technician. What is the procedure to enroll in those courses? It's simple. You enter in my webpage www.mrlopezclasses.com, and you have different options. You have the option for videos, for books, and you have the option for courses. You make a click on courses and you have the different courses that I offer. You see, I have 12 courses available for you. Okay, we are going to start. You make a click, you enroll in the course of basic electricity, and as soon as you pay and you enroll in the course of basic electricity, you receive 3 elements. You receive the most important part, the syllabus roadmap of the course. In the syllabus roadmap is the content of the course, chapter by chapter, with the episodes, with the quizzes, with the labs and the conference per each chapter. In the course of basic electricity, we are going to follow our book of marine electricity, the marine electricity handbook. For basic electricity, we are going to cover the first 8 chapters, the DC portion. For the course of advanced, we are going to follow the same book, the rest of the chapters, from chapter 9 until chapter 17. In the course of marine electronics, we are going to follow the book of marine electronics. Okay, you received the roadmap. The roadmap is the most important part, to follow day per day what is the video recommended, what is the quiz, and what is the lab or conference day per day. Correct? You receive the invitation to be part of the platform of MrLopezClasses.com. This is an important part because you enter and you enroll it and you are part of the platform. And of course, you can see chapter by chapter in the platform what is the video, the episode recommended per each day, what is the quiz, and the lab. Each chapter, at the end of each chapter, you can take the quiz. You enter in the quiz, you solve the question, all the questions are multiple choice, and you submit the questions. And you receive the grade of each chapter. For example, those are the grades of one of my students. Correct? If in the total your grades are superior to 82%, you can print the diploma for that course. It's too simple. Okay. Each chapter is divided in episodes. 2 episodes, 3 episodes, 4 episodes, depending on the chapter, depending on the topic. I recommend in the syllabus roadmap what is the episode recommended day per day. You have 2 or 3 days to see the episode, and you have 2 or 3 days to solve the quiz in the moment that you want it. In the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, tomorrow. That's your decision. In other words, my online classes are not the traditional classes. They are completely different. We are not in contact every day, 8 hours, facing. No. That's boring. you have the roadmap, you have the episodes. The episodes are my classes. Exactly the class that I teach in the classroom is in the episode, with more details, with more information. Each episode is a lot of information. In each episode, I follow the book. You need to follow the book, follow the video, take a lot of notes, because I gave a lot of tips and recommendations in the video. The people love the classes, love the videos. I have thousands of good comments related with my classes. Okay, my friends. You don't need to be in contact with me every day. We have one conference each Wednesday. Each week on Wednesday at 3 p.m. East Time of the United States, we have a conference by Zoom. This is the conference. In the conference, we solved questions related with the episodes of that week, with the chapters of that week. In some cases, I send emails with specific assignments, small homeworks, in some cases. In the conference, we solved that homework. And we solved questions. Because me and the other instructors, we are ready to solve your questions. With Mr. Rodriguez, we do the conference together. And we solved hundreds of questions. Alright? The labs. We have a lab each Friday. In the roadmap, you have a small video. In the video, I explain what is the lab. You can do the lab by yourself. You can do the lab with your instructor in your school, in your country. You don't need to be here to do the lab. Oh, if you want it, you are very welcome. If you live in South Florida, Broward County, Miami-Dade County, or West Palm Beach, you can assist to my class on Friday at 8 a.m. You write an email to my email, and I respond the information related with the lab. But you can do the lab because in the video I explain the lab in details. Okay, this is the course. Alright, this is the course of basic electricity. In the course of advanced electricity, we are going to do the same. It's exactly the same. We are going to cover AC current. We are going to start with the sources of AC current, the different type of wires for American power, European power, 50 Hertz, 60 Hertz. After that, we are going to start with the AC panel, the configuration of the AC panel. Yes, at the end, we are going to do that board. We are going to install everything. We are going to install the AC switch selector, the short power, the inverter, the generator, the AC panel, the gauge, the voltmeter, the ammeter, the frequency meter, the isolator transformer, the galvanic isolator. It's a complete AC panel. And we are going to study motors, AC motors, generators. This is the chapter 14, wonderful chapter. This is, in my opinion, the most important topic of that book. For that reason, we have a specific book dedicated only for marine generators, and we have a specific course for marine generators. If you want it, you can take those courses separated. If not, chapter 14 is generators. Chapter 15 is about inverters. I explained the procedure to calculate inverters, to size the battery banks. Chapter 15 is 16 and 17 is about the solar system and hybrid configuration. This is a wonderful book. The second part of this book, Advanced Electricity, AC current. And at the end, we are going to do the wiring diagram of that project. In the course number 3, in electronics, other wonderful course, marine electronics, once again, you enter, you select marine electronics, you enroll, and you receive the roadmap for that course, you receive the invitation to enter in the platform, and you receive the book in a PDF form. That book, the marine electronic books. And you receive the book with the episode included. This is a wonderful, wonderful course. We start from the basic of electronics. We create a small circuit boards. We are going to do a nice project. We are going to create the circuit board for a rectifier. Yeah, we are going to solder it. This is the lab. Alright? But after that, we are going to start to study the different type of cables, the VHF cables, the NEMA cables, and we are going to start to connect everything together. We are going to create the NEMA backbone, that wonderful picture. And we are going to connect to the backbone everything. And this is the board that we are going to do. Yeah, this is the project. We are going to connect everything, the backbone, the main screen, the computer of the autopilot, the computer of the transducer, the sensor. We are going to connect the GPS antenna, the VHF radio, and we are going to connect the autopilot system with the helm, the pump helm. After that, the reservoir, the drive unit, the servo unit. It's a complete project to understand the connection of the electronics. And at the end, in each course, I prepare the people to take the ABYC certification in the course of Basic Electricity and Advanced, and the NEMA 2000 certification. Those certifications are not part of the course. I prepare the people. If you wanted to take those certifications, you are ready to take the certifications, okay? All right? 96% of my students, they pass those certifications at the first attempt because my class is a complete class. Okay, my friends, I hope you learn in these classes. I hope you be enrolled as soon as possible because we don't have limitations, but try to register as soon as possible. A lot of people trying to enter in my classes. Okay, we are going to start on June 3rd with Basic Electricity. And I hope you be ready to continue with Advanced Electricity on June 24 and Electronics on July 16. I hope see you over there, and I hope you learn a lot of electricity and electronics in this wonderful package of Marine Electrical Technician.